Understanding how to work with and create infographics is important for any designer to know. This class will show you how to create and work with infographics to create compelling visuals for otherwise boring facts and data. We will first dive into infographic theory. We'll review solid examples and understand how to use a wide variety of visual display methods. Next, we'll move into Adobe Illustrator. We'll create 5 unique different graphics to display our facts and data. We will work with a wide variety of Illustrator's tools, including the 3D tool, brush tool, charting tools, and more. These lessons are intermediate level lessons, so some basic understanding of Adobe Illustrator is recommended for the project-based section of the class. Finally, you'll be tasked with creating your very own infographic. After taking this class, you'll know how best to take otherwise boring data and make stunning graphics that both communicate the data effectively and beautifully. So let's get started.